Welcome back to AWESMR Kids! Today I'll be teaching you colors with the help of Mr. Monkman. Whoa, sounds like he's hungry. Let's give him a snack. First, I'll cut this banana. Monkeys love bananas. Say, "Ah, Mr. Monkman." Sounds like he wants another piece. Here you go. How about we cut him some peaches now? Open wide. Ooh, I think he likes it. How about a tasty watermelon? That's a big piece. Here you go. Wow, he gobbled that up. Let's try a tomato now. Well, that's all the fruit I have, Mr. Monkman. Whoa! Settle down! Okay, I'll find you some more food. Jeez. No need to go bananas. Okay, this is all I have left to offer. Do you want these? I'll take that as a yes. Okay, Mr. Monkman, I'll feed you one color at a time. Here's red. Whoa, two of his teeth turned red. Okay, I'll get you more gumballs. Here's orange. Now two of his teeth are orange. All right, I know. More gumballs. Here's yellow. It changed colors again. There's yellow in there now. He has red, orange, and yellow teeth. Yes, Mr. Monkman, there are more gumballs for you to eat. Here's green. He added two green teeth. Now he has red, orange, yellow, and green. If he keeps this up, he'll have no more white teeth. Here's blue. Check out his blue teeth. He almost has all the colors of the rainbow now. Let's feed him more. Here's purple. Some purple teeth just came in. Look at all those colors. Sounds like he wants more. Here's pink. Ooh, pink teeth. Now he has red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. I have one more color for you, but after this, I think I'm gonna have to cut you off candy. Here's a white gumball for you. Oh, at least his teeth didn't change colors this time. Mr. Monkman loved learning colors with us, and this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to watch more. Thanks! Hey everyone! Welcome back to AWESMR Kids! Today I'm super excited to bring you this Hug and Oink Peppa Pig doll. Peppa is an energetic little piggy who lives with her mom, dad, and baby brother George. I can't wait to play with this. Here's Peppa taken out of the box. When you press her stomach, she talks.
That was the best hug ever! Now that's a proper hug! More hugs, please! Everybody loves hugs! A hug will be lovely! A lovely hug! Yippee! I love hugs from you! Hug me, please!
Hug time!
Now that's a proper hug!
I think Peppa's hungry. Let's make her some breakfast. I have this awesome pink microwave that I'll be cooking in. Here's a croissant. Croissants are great for the mornings, especially with butter on them. This smells delicious! Peppa's gonna love it! Let's also make Peppa one of my favorites, pancakes! I love blueberry pancakes! Let me know in the comments what your favorite type is. Yummy pancakes! Let's also make some eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein to give you energy all day long. And we're done cooking breakfast. Peppa, it's time to eat. In you go, Peppa.
Yippee!
Breakfast is served.
Oh, lovely!
Here's a croissant for you. Let's drizzle some syrup on this. Open wide for some yummy pancakes. Here's a sunny side up egg. Let's get you all cleaned up. You can go play while I make us some lunch. Let's make Peppa a hot dog. These are great for summertime barbecues. Ooh, and I love pizza! I like mine with a lot of toppings. How do you guys like your pizzas? Lunch is ready. Why don't you try the hot dog first? And now some tasty pizza. All right, you're all done. Go play and I'll prepare us some dinner. For dinner tonight, I'm making chicken. I liked baked chicken, grilled chicken, fried chicken, any type of chicken. How about you guys? What's your favorite way to eat chicken? I'll also make some burgers. This one has cheese and tomato in between 2 sesame buns. Peppa, it's time for dinner.
Yippee!
And here's your delicious dinner, Peppa. Why don't you eat the burger first? And now for some chicken. It's time for dessert. I have some vanilla ice cream with rainbow sprinkles.
Yippee!
Mmm. Peppa's all full. This was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to watch more. Thanks!